Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed while playing the Roblox game. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. Make a right click at the start button. Then here in the list of options, you have to select Task Manager. So here in the Task Manager window, maximize this. We are going to close any Roblox processes. So type Roblox in the search bar. Then here you'll find Roblox Game Client. Make a right click, select End Task. Now after you have completely closed Roblox from here, then just simply launch Roblox game if it is or the issue has been fixed this time. For the next method is in the Windows search bar, type here CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, you need to simply type this command. So just simply follow me. First command is nat sh space winsock space reset. It's nat sh space winsock space reset, hit enter. It states that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But first, let's type the second command, ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flushed DNS resolver cache, then we need to type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then in the Windows search bar again, type here ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you can find your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, then you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to locate the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that, click on properties, and another window will appear. Now you have this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that and we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and then simply close this windows. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Now here is simply type percentage local app data percentage. Then you have to click on OK. Then scroll down and look for the Roblox folder. Make a right click, select delete. So this is just about the cache. Now once deleted, simply close this and then launch Roblox again. And if the issue keeps persisting, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Now you'll find Roblox. Click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Then we need to reinstall that. So simply open the Edge browser or any browser that you have on your Windows. Maximize this and type here in the search bar roblox.com forward slash download. It's roblox.com forward slash download, hit enter. You'll find this button, download Windows app. Click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. Click on that, close the browser. And this will reinstall Roblox for you. So you just have to wait in a while. Now Roblox is up, so just simply click on sign in right here and then sign in with your account and enjoy the Roblox game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.